What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're down in Nashville, Tennessee for Slush Motorsport Festival, and this is my very first time ever being in a big car event down in the South. But since we got invited to this, we're down here in Nashville seeing all the great, crazy cars the South has to offer. So today I'm gonna take you around, and this should be a really big event because Daily Driven Exotics is also gonna be here today. And my car is looking as beautiful as ever, and I've got to show you the latest mod that I've just put on this. This is like one of the funniest mods that I've ever done, but trust me, it looks so good. Got these safety lights. This thing actually looks like a real safety race car from a racetrack. I don't know why, I just think on the orange paint, it looks so funny, so good. Let me show you around, show you a couple of the cars that I'm parked up with, and then we'll walk around and see everything that this festival has to offer. Got the orange Lambo, white F80, red Supra, which if you notice, this actually has my old white TEs off of my M340 that I had last year. And these things, I think on the red paint, look so freaking beautiful. I'm so happy that my friend decided to buy them off me, and these look amazing on his car. We've also got this crazy C7 Corvette, got a ton of carbon fiber everywhere, and the ZR1 wing. I think this thing looks so good. I know I hate a lot on Corvettes on TikTok, but trust me, I don't actually hate them. I just troll them because a lot of my friends have Corvettes. My best friend has a Camaro ZL1, and he's made me fall in love with that car, but you know that if you follow me on TikTok at S58NY. Go ahead and follow, and let's see the rest of the show. Out of all the crazy cars here, I want to start off by showing you guys this. I want one of these so bad. A twin turbo single cab F-150. This thing is on beadlock tires. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Look at this. I've never been an American car guy, but this thing is just so perfect. Look at these things, bro. Now there's mostly American cars and BMWs here as well. That Camaro is crazy, but these two twin turbo F-150s, everyone loves these for drag racing because it's a Coyote engine, but it's the only one that's all-wheel drive. Put some beadlock tires on this thing. Oh my god. Jesus, this thing is gorgeous. More trucks and more trucks. Honestly, being down in the South for a little bit, it's really made me fall in love and have a little bit more of an appreciation for not only American cars, but just trucks in general. Some lifted trucks are actually kind of fire, and this shit is crazy. Oh my god, bro. What? This thing looks like a monster. This is a ZL1, I think. Side exit exhaust. I know I don't know much about these cars, but I have a big appreciation for ZL1s especially. Clean Viper out here. Viper is like my favorite supercar ever. Not this one, like the last gen is probably my favorite, but if I ever had the money to have a supercar, I'm 1000% buying a Viper. Not just American cars here. Crazy performance cars like this. Exotics like this Performante. This thing is also beautiful, but right behind this Corvette is even crazier. Oh my god, bro. Carbon fenders, beadlocks in the back. This thing is fast as hell. Oh my god. Mustang. GTR. These things are all-wheel drive, so it don't really need the beadlocks, don't really need the slicks. Another Mustang right here. And this brown Camaro, oh my god, this color looks so perfect. Also got all of these cars. I think this is Pro Charged, but every single car here is Pro Charged, drag slicks. I think the next car might have to be an American car. Can't go German again, so let me know, should I get a ZL1 next? Down in the comments below. Lately, I've been really wanting a ZL1, and if I can ever afford it, that's probably the next car I'd go with. Plenty of GTRs. We're gonna get into the BMW stuff later, guys, don't worry. Plenty of fast GTRs, god, boost logic, everything. That's crazy. This color is just so gorgeous. You don't see this anywhere. Another Coyote. I swear, everybody's just too fast here. That's why I didn't even go on track. My car is not fast enough to beat some of these guys. Mark IV Supra with an LS in there. Oh my god. Carbon fenders. That is crazy. Big drag slicks. Big drag slicks. This thing looks gorgeous from the back. Probably one of my favorite cars ever. The RX-7. This thing has been my dream car ever since I was a kid. You hear that Camaro chopping in the back too. Yellow RX-7, one of my favorite cars here. This thing just looks so gorgeous and so perfect with those white wheels. R34 GTR, or R33 actually. White Supra, all these other cars. This Supra over here is on bags. Quick G80. I know y'all like the BMW stuff, so I gotta show you. This thing looks pretty good. Whole lineup of GT 500s. I also really love these cars, I'm not gonna lie. This Revolta was just crazy, like, oh my God. When this thing came out, like, it instantly had my heart. I didn't like that it was a hybrid, obviously, but they gotta do what they gotta do to meet emissions. But this thing is just gorgeous. The way the rear end just comes out like that, so perfect. I've been down here in Tennessee for a little bit. I'm gonna be down here until Gatlinburg. So if any of you guys are gonna be at Gatlinburg, go ahead and DM me on Instagram or TikTok and let me know. So I wanna meet as many people as I can there to make some good content. So let me know if you're gonna be there down below. There's probably a crazy car behind me. Be down here until then, and it's my first year at Gatlinburg, so I'm really looking forward to it. This right here is Kennedy Performance. They've done a ton of work on my car. They're down in Nashville as well, and they've got obviously some crazy cars here as well. This is an F80 right here. I love DTEs on this thing. Racing seat, beautiful interior. Love the red interior. But yeah, Kennedy Performance, they're probably the best shop down here for BMWs. This beautiful M4 with a carbon hood, agile bumper, full IRL exhaust. This thing probably sounds crazy. And this also track build. This is also a track build F80. I believe it's manual because I mean it's got the sticker on the side for 135. This thing, this turbo is huge. I love that thing. I think it's an X3M, I want to say. But this white M4 with satin or frozen PPF, big single turbo. Oh my God. A lot of you guys don't know, but I actually have a brother with a manual F80, and he wants to put a big single turbo on his F80. I told him not to do it. The more horsepower you push, the more unreliable that thing will get, especially because it's manual. But he's probably gonna do it at the end of the day anyways. Single turbo S55s look amazing. It's that Kennedy Performance, so if you're in the Nashville, Tennessee area, go ahead and check them out. For any and all of your performance needs, they're a great group of guys, so shout out to them. Crazy NSX. This thing is on the freaking ground, bro. Man. I'm a big JDM guy. I've always been a big JDM guy my whole life, but I mostly like German cars now because I feel like they are the new JDM cars. I made a whole video about that. This NSX has a crazy turbo in the back. This thing looks so good. It's my very first time in a Lamborghini. Obviously gotta have it Corsa mode. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Start, stop. It's the key right here. This is crazy. Oh my God. I've never been in a Lamborghini, but one of our friends brought this Huracan today, so he finally let me sit in here. You obviously can't see much, but there's a lot more visibility than I thought there would be, so that's the back. This thing is beautiful. This paint is like just perfect. Man. Jesus, what the hell? I had no idea that DD had a BMW. But this is their, I guess, their drift build. This thing is crazy. Obviously, their twin turbo F12 back here. This thing crazy. If I were ever to get a second car, this or a ZL1, what do you guys think? I'm in love with the TTRS. Obviously, y'all know I'm from New York. Everyone in New York street races, so we gotta have either a BMW or something crazy like this, a 5-cylinder Daza engine. And having both of those in the fleet would be absolutely crazy. So if I ever got enough money to have two cars, what do you guys think? A ZL1 or a TTRS? Let me know. I used to hate the inside, that it doesn't have an infotainment system, but now I kind of understand it. It is a driver's car. This wing is perfect, and the opposite of what everyone says, I think this car looks beautiful. So many people say it looks ugly, but I think it's just perfect. This crazy McLaren, so many crazy cars. The DDE twin turbo F12, this Lamborghini, another Lamborghini. This thing is beautiful. This paint is crazy. This green Ferrari is just, oh my, this green Ferrari is just perfect. I love Ferraris. I'm a big, huge fan of Ferraris. But right next to it, this GT3 RS I think is even crazier. Jeez, bro, look at this. Look at the way this spoiler goes in the back. This thing like spans the entire width of the car. 720S, a Gallardo right there. So many crazy cars. A Porsche with the OF Patrol. This is hilarious. And look at this wrap or PPF on this Lambo. This is crazy. This is wild. See this one over here too? The same thing. You can see it much better on the black. This looks like those textbooks you had in school when you used to put that like clear cover on it. AMG GTR, I love this color. R8. Another R8. Corvette. Damn, all these cars, this is like the supercar section. All these cars are just so crazy, bro. This is wild. A GC3 RS, an older one. Freaking Aventador SV, oh my god. Damn, this thing is perfect. Hey, if this AMG could be here, my car could definitely be in here. It's a crazy E63S wagon too. This is a Boost Logic booth, I believe. Damn. I love this thing, and the brown color just looks so perfect. Some more crazy supercars, an R8. It's I believe this is an AMG SL or something like that. It's a GT4. The Aston Martin reminds me of my friend's Aston Martin. I love these, they're so beautiful. And this STO, of course, looks beautiful. These wheels are just crazy, bro. Something about like something about the wheels with all the, like the crazy spokes like that just looks perfect on any car. I think it's probably my dream car right here. A Ferrari. This is probably my dream car, Ferrari right here. Yeah, OF Patrol. Gotta get more videos of this shit right here. Oops, sorry, you're good. It's crazy stuff. Man, I don't even know how they did it. I'm so surprised they got a BMW. I didn't even know that. I swear you'd never think that in the middle of Tennessee that there'd be so much wealth everywhere. This guy's got a crazy looking GT2 RS. This red is just so perfect. But we've been seeing all these crazy supercars all day, and I took a little break from vlogging because it was just so damn hot. But GT2 RS, tons of crazy stuff in there. Lambos, Porsches, Audi R8s everywhere. Seriously though, I never thought there'd be so much wealth outside like New York, California, and Florida. But these Tennessee dudes, I guess they're pretty rich out here. It's supposed to be a 5.0. I don't think there's a 5.0. He said it's a clean title though, so it's good. It's got everything you need. No scratches, no nothing. Alright y'all, it's a few days later. Sorry I didn't upload last week. Life has been pretty crazy lately. But today we are finishing up editing, and I do want to let y'all know about something I'm trying to do for y'all. Close these valves with this air on, but I'm trying to do a giveaway. I want to give back to y'all, but I'm trying to figure out just what exactly I should do. Probably give away a dash cam, maybe some like small BMW parts. I'm not at the level where I can give away something huge, but if I can give away something huge, I definitely will try to. If I end up getting an exhaust, I don't mind giving away like my mid-pipe or something. But we do have a couple more mods for the G80 on the way. A couple parts from Horizon Motorsport, so I'm very excited about that. But I'm trying to get monetized on TikTok. It's been extremely hard for some reason. TikTok's algorithm is just so weird. Like if your video doesn't do good in the first like hour and that video is cooked, it's not going to get any views and they're just not going to push out your video. So I'm trying to hit 10,000 followers on TikTok. If you're watching this and you watch this far, when I hit 10,000 followers on TikTok, I'm going to do some kind of giveaway. Probably give away a dash cam, maybe some BMW parts, maybe some detailing products, really anything. I want to give away like 5 different things, but I need your guys' help to help me hit 10,000 followers on TikTok. So I'll leave it linked in the description below and you can go ahead and follow me there and join the giveaway, because you'll only be entered in the giveaway if you follow me over on TikTok. Right now I'm gonna go finish editing the video. I'm gonna go check if I have any packages because I do order a lot of stuff from TikTok shop. But I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The next big mod I'll be doing on the G80 is tuning the car. Finally ready to rip off the band-aid. I need to tune this car right now because I want to get it done before Gatlinburg. If that don't end up happening, I don't know, but I'm gonna be doing that very, very soon. A couple more mods in the way, and yeah, with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on TikTok to join that giveaway. Yeah, I'm Ryan, Gears and Gains. I'm gonna go for a ride right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.